Hi everybody, today we're going to do the August craft for adults and we're doing no sew pillows. And if you signed up for a craft, you should have gotten a kit, and in the kit should have been a bag of stuffing and then a little bag that has the instructions, your fabric, and then a paper clip which I put on the instructions so you wouldn't lose it. And then what you'll need to supply from home is a ruler and then scissors. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to line up your squares on top of each other and get them as close to on top as so you can't see the one underneath it. And then we're going to cut out the 2 inches in each corner. So you'll take your ruler and measure 2 inches over. And just make a little nick with your scissors so we can mark it. Okay. And then I'm going to turn it so it's easier. Do 2 inches from the corner. And then mark it that way as well. Okay, so then we're just going to cut out our 2 inches. Okay. Just like that, and you're going to do that on each corner. All right. Okay, and those are just scraps. We're not going to use those again. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your ruler. And you can lay it here for measurement just for your own preference, or you can just cut depending on if you want to eyeball it. We want about 1 inch strips. And you're going to cut a 1 inch strips all the way around. Okay, so great. So now we have strips all the way around. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put a hole in the center of your strips. So you're going to take you can start anywhere and bend it in half. And you're going to put a little hole in the middle, just like that. You can do that with all the strips all the way around again. Okay. Alright, now that we've got all the holes cut in the center of our strips, we're going to take our paper clip, that would be on your instructions, and you're going to unbend it so you have a hook shape. And you're going to take that hook and you're going to stick it through your first hole. Okay? And then you're going to go through and grab the strip next to it and pull it through the hole that your paper clip went through. Like that. Okay? Then you're going to continue on down. So I'll put my paper clip in this one and pull through the strip that's next to that. Okay? And just keep going all the way down. Just like that. You're going to go all the way around until you hit the third side. When you get to the third side, we'll stop and we'll put our stuffing in. Okay? So stick it through the next one, pull through. Okay? Last one. Okay, so now that we have 3 sides braided, we're going to open it up and we're going to fill it with stuffing. You don't have to put all the stuffing in, you can do it however fluffy you want it, but there's quite a bit in your bags. So stuff it in and make sure you get it all the way down in these corners. Okay. And then once you have it to the consistency you want it for fluff, we'll finish up our end. So we ended here, and this is where we're going to continue on closing it up. So we're going to close at the pillow, just like you did all the way around. So this side is just a little harder because we have to match up our strips because they're not together anymore because we stuffed it. So. Last one. So this last one, you're going to pull it through. And then since you only have one left, you're going to take your, separate it, and then tie it in a knot. Like that. Okay, so now that you have your pillow all the way braided all the way around, you can move the stuffing around just to make it a little better consistency, and then go around and poke in your ends of your braid here so that they don't stick out. So this has a little bit more definition. Okay. All right. Then you have a pillow. My name is Angela. Thank you for joining us today. If you want to share some of your pictures with us on Facebook, that would be great. Just send them in Messenger. And if you want to sign up for the next craft, just go to our website at library.huronsd.com to sign up. Thank you. Have a good day.